Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Anne and it's been a while since we've shared a new video. But today I'm excited to show you how to book an appointment for your Bureau of Immigration annual report using the virtual process. Disclaimer, this information is based on my experience with my husband when we completed his annual report virtually. So if you're an American citizen with a 13A visa holder who haven't done your annual report yet, then this video is for you. You can book an appointment before visiting the BI office in person or to complete the process virtually. Before we jump into booking an appointment, let's make sure you have all the necessary requirements. First, valid US passport. Second, last annual receipt. Third, ACR card. So to book an appointment, you'll need to visit the Bureau of Immigration website. And here's how to do it.
Open your computer web browser, or you can also use your phones if you want. So in the address bar, type e-services.immigration.gov.ph. Then press enter. This will take you to the Bureau of Immigration dashboard, where you'll find various online services, including the annual report right here. So to access these services, you'll need an account. And if you don't have one yet, just click register button and follow the instructions carefully. Be sure to provide complete and accurate information. I already have an account. I'll just simply log in. So you have been successfully logged in. Just click OK. Once you're logged in, you can proceed with booking your appointment. So on the right side of the dashboard, you'll see your profile information. So here you have to click the annual report and then verify ACR details. Enter your ACR card number found on the back of your ID in the upper left corner. And also input your birth date here. Once done, click verify. So after successful verification, just click OK, and then you'll be redirected back to the dashboard. Since you've already verified your ACR details, much of the required information will be fulfilled. Simply use the drop-down menu to select your preferred appointment type, in person or virtual. Then choose your desired appointment date and time. There are only few fields you'll need to complete, as most of the information will already be filled in. And after selecting your appointment details, review all the information carefully to ensure accuracy, and then submit your appointment request. You will receive an appointment reference number via email, along with a link highlighted in green for your virtual meeting, if you chose that option. So on the day of your appointment, the BI officer will ask you a few questions and request to see your passport and ACR card. They will also verify your appointment reference number. So following the meeting, the BI officer will send you a payment link. The annual report fee is 310 pesos plus a 500 pesos express lane fee. You can pay through Maya Wallet, GCash, or bank transfer. Once your payment is processed, you will receive an e-receipt for your annual report via email.
That's it. It's very simple, easy, and hassle-free. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.